one of the things when I came into OsteoStrong and moving from the wealth management space, complementing what I already do there into this new field of wellness, I knew I had to have a team. And the first thing our team talks about is we are here to serve our members. Our members, we know, are making a commitment once a week to leave whatever environment they're coming from, to come into our center, to improve something, because they want more of something. They don't want to go to the gym weekly, daily. They're not looking for more drugs or pharmaceuticals to put in their body. They're looking for an alternative. They're looking for hope. So running an OsteoStrong center, the very first thing I knew I had to have was a team around me that cared and loved and was there to serve our members. Because we know that these members are coming in and they're looking for hope. They're looking for something, whether it's the athlete that's looking for optimum to gain performance on the field, or it's the grandmother that's looking for hope so she can pick up her grandchild and live life active, to go on that cruise to Europe, to know that she's gonna have better balance and strength to do that. It's important to have a team that's here to serve, love, and meet the needs of our members. That was the first thing. The second thing is, how do we grow our center? So having a team around you on the outside to help with the financials, help with the marketing, and getting the message out to connect with the doctors, to connect with our community was important, because I want my team members in here loving on our members while my other team is outside networking, connecting with the community. So having those two things in place is critical if you're not going to be an owner-operator and you're going to turn it over and let other people run your business. That's how I do mine. I'm Brian Ruppel, proud owner of OsteoStrong Lake Mary.